Hello math learners, today we'll learn one of the very much important question. The question is 2 to the power x plus 4 to the power x equals to 8 to the power x. Now we need to find the value of x. Okay, we need to find the value of x. All right. So without any delay, let's start the solution. So here we have solution. The solution. So here what we can do, here we can take, okay, 2 to the power x, okay, 2 to the power x plus, in place of this 4, what we can write here, 2 square. All right, and then we have got power x, let's write it as it is, okay, equals to, in place of 8, what we can write here, we can write here 2 cube. All right, and we have power x, let's write here power x. All right, now let's do one thing. What we can do here, 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power x under bracket, we can make it square. Okay, just I have interchanged. Okay, what interchanging I have done here, if you see, okay, this is square I have written here, okay, and this x I have written here. All right, so these changes I have done here. Now equals to, here what I'll do here, 2 to the power x under bracket, again power 3. Okay, so some changes I have done here. Now see what we can do here, we got here 2 to the power x, here also 2 to the power x, here also 2 to the power x. So let 2 to the power x equals to a. All right, let's take not a, let's take y. Okay, 2 to the power x equals to y. All right, now let's continue the solution. So here 2 to the power x equals to y. All right, we have taken this. So what I'll do here, I'll take this one, in place of 2 to the power x, I'll write here y plus, here y in place of this, and this is square I'll write here. All right, equals to, again 2 to the power x value is y, and here it is cube, I write here cube. All right, now see here what we can do, here we can take y common. All right, if we take y common here, so here will be 1 plus, out of y square we have taken y common, so y will be left here, equals to, okay, it is, this y cube will be as it is. All right, now what we can do here, 1 plus y equals to y cube by this y here. Okay, so this y I have brought here. All right, now if I'll cancel this, I'll get here y square. All right, now let's continue this one. Now we are left with here 1 plus y equals, now we are left with here 1 plus y equals to y square. All right, now here what you can do, see here, now if you want to solve this one, so let's do this one. What we can do here, here we can take, so now here what we'll do here, this whole part I'll take in right hand side. So here I write 0 equals to y square minus y minus 1. All right, it means this can be written in this form, that is y square minus y minus 1 is equals to 0. All right, now here we'll apply a rule. Okay, like in India we call it as Sridhar Acharya formula. So for this what I'll do here, here is no number means 1, no number means 1, here also no number means 1. Okay, so here a equals to 1. All right, b equals to this one minus 1. Okay, and c equals to also minus 1. All right, now let's move forward. Okay, now we'll apply formula here. uh, y equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac, all right, by 2a. all right, now minus, since our b value is what here, b value is minus 1, okay, so here we'll take minus 1 plus minus as it is root over b square, b value is minus 1, so minus 1 square we write here, all right, minus 4 into, all right, our a value is how much, let's just see here, a value is 1, okay, a value is what, 1, so we write here 1 into, then we have got c, okay, the c value is how much here, see there, c value is minus 1, so we write here minus 1, minus 1, all right, minus 1 by what we have here 2a, that is 2 into 1, because a value is 1, all right, now this minus minus will become here plus, so we'll write here plus 1, all right, plus minus, okay, root over 1 square will give us 1, all right, now minus minus will become here plus, and 4 ones are 4, all right, by 2, by 2 we got it, okay. See here once again what I have done here, okay, this minus, okay, this minus minus became plus, okay, again here we have got this minus 1 square, okay, will become 1, and here this minus and this minus, it has become plus, and 4 ones are 4 I've written here, all right, so we got this one. Now see what we can do here, what we can do here, y equals to all right, what we have here, 1 1 plus root over what we have got here, just see here, okay, what we have got here, 1 plus 4, it is 5, okay, that is root 5 by 2, okay, we'll take here, okay, y equals to 1 minus root over 5 by 2. Why I have taken two different, since you can see here one is plus and one is minus sign here, okay, so I took it 2 times, all right, I've taken here 2 times. Now see since what we know that y value is how much, y value we have taken that time, y value how much, that is, just see here, this is y value, okay, this is y value, this is our y value, isn't it, that is y equals to 2 to the power x, y equals to 2 to the power x, it means here what we can write here y equals to, what we can write here, we can write here in place of y 2 to the power x is equals to 1 plus, all right, root 5 by 2, all right, now what we can do here, just check it out, okay, since we have this, okay, so what can be done here to find out the x value, okay, so for this so here what we'll do here, we'll multiply both side by log, okay, so I write here log, okay, 2 to the power x is equals to log, all right, 1 plus root 5 by 2, both sides I multiplied by log, all right, now here what we can write here, since we have got their log 2 to the power x is equals to log 1 plus root 5 by 2, isn't it, so here it will come this power 1, okay, this power x, okay, will come here x log 2, okay, x log 2 equals to, here what we have log, all right, 1 plus root 5 by 2, all right, in this one, okay, in this part, which rule I have applied, okay, that's the power comes here. Now see what we can take here. X is equals to log, all right, 1 plus root 5 by 2, all right. Now here we have this log 2, okay, this will take it here, it will be log 2, all right. Now okay, now let's continue this one, okay. So when you continue this, what we'll find here, x equals to log, all right, 1 plus root 5, okay, by 2, and then we have got log 2, okay. So this can be written as log, okay, this base 2 will remain here, okay, and then we got here 1 plus root 5 by 2, okay. So this is our first answer, okay, this is our first answer, all right. Then we have got one more there. Next, now the next one we have here, y equals to 1 minus root 5 by 2, okay. So since we know that 2 to the power x equals to y, okay, already we have taken this one, okay. So here I'll take here 2 to the power x equals to 1 minus root 5, okay, by 2, all right. So here this value is positive, okay, but here we'll get this value is negative, okay. So this is rejected, okay, this one is rejected, this will not take, okay. So this is all about the solution of this question, okay. Hope you liked session, hope you liked my solution, okay. If you liked my solution, kindly like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.